Welcome to the Morning Ruck. Let's talk about AI privacy. So with the advent of open weight models, a lot of people just kind of mindlessly switching over away from OpenAI and Anthropic. And there's a concerning thing that I don't think anyone really looks at is the data retention policy of any of these companies. So it's a fairly well-known fact that OpenAI and Anthropic's free version definitely retains your data and uses it for training, which, I mean, if you're doing the free version, you should probably expect that. But I don't know of too many people that are on the hype train of DeepSeek and maybe even like Quen and different things, Alibaba, looked at their data retention policy, and it's similar or even worse, that even if you're paying APA rates, you know, a paid inference, paid tokens, they will also retain your data and use it for training. So that's a little bit concerning, depending on what you do. If you're in healthcare or you have any kind of proprietary system that you really don't want the data trained on, that's a little concerning. But what can you do about this? So these are open weight models. So the models themselves are awesome. Weights are open, you know, they work great, obviously. There's a lot of third-party hosting solutions. You have like Base 10, you have Nebius Token Factory, Fireworks AI. All of these provide compute that you can run these open weight models yourself. And pretty much guaranteed, you have to look at their policies too, but pretty much guaranteed that they're not going to retain your data for training. And probably the most drastic step is you can just rent an actual GPU. You can just host the model on like VLLM hosting engine directly on the VM, and that isn't going to retain any data unless it's a company that you wouldn't already trust with hosting your website or anything else. So that's definitely the hardest option, but that would be the ultimate in privacy. So long and short summary, read the privacy docs before you commit to one of these model providers, because some of them are pretty scary, what they keep and what data they use for training, proprietary things that you really don't want to give them. So anyway, feel boring.